Hello, YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. Notice something a little different? Yes, I got myself a haircut and also a build trim. But today, we're going to be talking about compression fitting tools, compression fitting F connectors, coax cable, and a brand new tool I just purchased from Radio Shack today. And yes, we're going to be demonstrating it and doing a small unboxing of it as well. And I have all my tools laid out on my desk. This is my brand new tool I just purchased. Yes, all this is from Radio Shack. And I also got these special cuddles for coax cable, the rounded coax cable right here. Here you can see this is double shielded with two foils, a braid, insulator, and the center conductor in the middle. Here you can see this side has no end. I'm going to be putting an end on that. And this side has an end because I want to use this as like a jump hole for different small cable boxes to VCRs, or I want to use this as a antenna wire as well. But it's only about like 1 inch long. It's not that big, but I don't want to waste this cable because it's a good style cable to actually use. And I do have a compression fitting F connector right here. As you can see, that's the end. That's the screw on end. This is the end that goes directly on the cable itself. But yes, you can use on different tools to able to put these type of coax compression fittings on and crimp on tools itself and such on such. But you do have to have the right tools to able to do it. Let's go ahead, strip the coax cable. But I already adjusted my strippers right here. These are my coax strippers for this cable. And other thing is a analog signal here. Everything's analog. This is just analog cable. But it's too good cable to use for antennas and everything else. And you just gotta rotate it a couple times to make sure you get everything off right. And make sure you cut it cleanly. And make sure you don't destroy your center conductor, what's in the middle of the braid itself. We just take off that. And yes, it's a little tricky to get some of this stuff off, but you can take it off. It's very simple. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science. But get the right type of tool, you can actually get everything to come off correctly. But yes, you guys can see I stripped that perfectly fine. And what we gotta do is we gotta fold each of these wires back for it does not touch the center conductor at all, because that would actually short everything out and ground the center pin conductor. Now, of course, I am new at doing this kind of work by using different style antennas for my FM radio. But as you can see, it's a very easy and delicate work. Not that frustrating if you get the actual hang out of it. That's all. But make sure you get every single piece of wire folded back on that, just like that. We don't need the strippers now because we are done with that. And we're going to take this end, stick it on here, give it a little twist, push, twist, make sure the center conductor is right there at the end. Now once you compress this on here, don't, it's a one-time deal, that's about it, one-time deal, and it can't be reused again, and you have to buy more of them later on. Now this is a brand new tool I just purchased, and I really do actually like it a lot. It's on preset for the F connectors. And we just take this, slide it in like that, and give it a good old squeeze. If I have it set right. I may have to adjust something on it, but yeah, you can see we got the ends on. Yay! Awesome. Alright, if you're all brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys. Well, please see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching today's vlog.